You clicked on this video to figure out how to make a quick $250 by building this thing right here I found on Etsy. Look guys, I went to Home Depot. It was only $15 worth of wood. So if they're getting $250 for that, I know we can. So let's build it. All right guys, first thing as always, throw on them safety glasses. Next thing we're gonna do, we got a beautiful 2x8 right here. We're gonna need two pieces. It's gonna be our bottom and our top. We're gonna need them at 3 foot. I don't know exactly how big they made theirs on Etsy, but that's what we're gonna make ours. 3 foot, 3 foot. Get that big speed square. Throw that bad boy up on there. Head to the miter saw. We're gonna make that cut. As always, use your first cut to make that line for your second cut. Yeah, Lord. All right, guys, so we got our two pieces cut at 3 foot out of our first 2x8x8. What was left over from that cut is a piece at 24.5 inches, so we're gonna use this as our side. We got one more 2x8x8, so we're gonna cut another piece out of that one at 24.5 inches. We got her lined up, guys. We're gonna make that cut. All right, guys, so now that we got both of our 24.5 inch pieces cut, what we're gonna do is take our 3 foot piece, butt it up right here to our other piece, and then we're gonna make a pilot hole. Just like that. We're gonna do another one at the bottom. Now that you got your two pilot holes on that side done, we're gonna get our screws. Send those screws in there. Just like so. You ain't gotta anchor her down yet. Put your other one in there. Just like that. Tighten them down. Beautiful. All right, guys, so we're gonna skip the pilot holes. I think we can just send the screws here. So we're gonna go to this opposite side here. All right, guys, now that we got this little shape built right here, we're gonna throw this board up here. So to do that, we're gonna take it, push her out, start sanding them screws. So now that we got this little shape right here built, this little rectangle, we're gonna go around and send one screw on each side one more time. All right, now that we got this thing right here sturdy, we're gonna put on our middle shelf. So if our side pieces are 24.5, then we're gonna go up 12 inches. Let me just put this here. We're gonna go up 12 inches and make us a line so we know where our board needs to be. Now I know 12 isn't half of that, but it should calculate with the width of our board. And we're gonna need to cut a piece about 32 3/4. So we're gonna cut that piece. Let's head to the miter saw. All right, guys, so now that we got our middle piece cut, like I said, we're gonna fit her in here. She's gonna be a snug fit, so I'm probably gonna put her on her side. Just like that. Flip her over. Let's see exactly where we need to be. Right there. Wow. We got her where she needs to be. So we're going to send that first screw. We'll go to the opposite side and see what we can do. Alright guys, so I had to get my cameraman to help me just put a screw on that one side. So we still got to do these other sides, but you can tell we got her level. So we're going to send us another screw. Alright guys, so this is what our rustic bookshelf is looking like so far. I know she look a little bit ugly, but like I said, we're going for that rustic feel. So once we put that stain on there, she's going to be looking right. First, we're going to hit it with a little bit of sandpaper. Let's do that. Alright now, so we got her all sanded up just to make sure we ain't get no splinters. The stain of the day, gonna be red oak. No, I don't have gloves. Why don't I? I don't know. But we're gonna get over it. Let's throw on that stain. Alright guys, so that concludes our rustic bookshelf build. Like I said, came out like a beaut. Got that nice rustic feel for it. Like I said, if that person on Etsy's getting $250 and they almost sold out, why can't we? Like I said, it was like $14 in wood and about 20 screws. So you can't beat that. And a little bit of stain. But guys, I appreciate everybody for watching this video. If you want to check out all the tools and stuff we use, there's a link in the description. Also, tools that I recommend will be in there. Hey, shout out to Howard's also. You know, they're awesome. They send us some free stuff, so check out their link below. Make sure you smash that sub button, hit that like button, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.